In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change story language on Wattpad. If you want to personalize your Wattpad experience and discover stories written in a different language, then this tutorial will show you exactly how to update your story language settings directly from your account. Wattpad allows users to choose from a wide range of languages, making it easier to explore stories, recommendations, and content that match your preferred reading language. To get started, open Wattpad and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you arrive on the Wattpad homepage, look toward the top corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. Go ahead and click on your profile to open the account menu. After the menu appears, scroll down until you find the Settings option. Click on it to open your account settings page. This section contains different customization options that control how your Wattpad account works and how content is displayed for you. Inside the settings page, continue scrolling down until you find the option labeled Story Language. This is the setting that determines the language used for story recommendations and browsing preferences across your account. Once you click on Story Language, Wattpad will display a list of available languages that you can choose from. You'll notice that there are many different language options available, giving you the flexibility to switch to the language you prefer for reading and discovering stories. Take your time browsing through the list and select the language you want to use. Whether you want to explore stories in English, Spanish, French, Filipino, or another available language, you can easily change it with just a few clicks. After selecting your preferred language, scroll down and click the Submit button to save your changes. Once submitted, Wattpad will update your account settings and your story language preferences will be changed successfully. Depending on your account and app version, you may start seeing different story suggestions, categories, and recommendations that match the language you selected. This can make your reading experience feel more personalized and help you discover content that better fits your interests. And that's all you need to do to change the story language on your Wattpad account. As you can see, the process is very quick, simple, and beginner-friendly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.